I am Subha, and in today's video I am going to show you how to use the magnet tool inside Helium 10 for Amazon KDP low content and medium content books. I am under products and went to magnet. It took me to this page. Here you can either search for keywords to get keyword ideas, or if you have already some keywords you can come here to analyze keyword and input your keyword, or you can even upload your keyword list. Select the marketplace and then analyze keywords here. But for now I'm going to find keyword suggestions for Amazon KDP. For that purpose I am going to use a very common example of puzzle books. So you can simply type puzzle book here and then click on get keyword ideas. I have already done this search, so I'm going to load from history. This is the keyword search summary. Here you can see the search volume and the magnet IQ score. This is an overview of the keyword here. That is the keyword distribution. There are total 6,373 keywords. Organic keywords are 1,581. Paid means the Amazon ads 539, and smart complete, that is 3,808. Out of these keywords, these are the bifurcations of these keywords, and Amazon recommended are 1,333. Total search volume is over 2.3 million and the average search volume per keyword is 368. Here is the word frequency. Puzzle is being included 3,737 times and books as 2,416 times. Here you can see there are 6,373 keywords in total, and you can also customize these here, like you can check and uncheck any one of them. So I am using these columns here, that is keyword sales, magnet IQ score, search volume trend, sponsored ASINs. That means how many people are running ads for specific keyword. Then it's competing products, and then is the match type. Match type mean organic, paid, or autocomplete, or Amazon recommended. AR mean Amazon recommended. O mean organic. So this is the match type. These are a lot of keywords to analyze. To shortlist these keywords, we will be using some filters. I'm going to introduce the very first filter, that is the search volume. I want keyword that have minimum 1000 search volume on monthly basis. Apply filters. You can see the keyword list dropped down to 193 from 6,373. Still I want to shortlist these keywords. I will be introducing a second filter, that is word count. I want long tail versions of the keywords, so minimum word count should be 3. Then click apply filters. Now my keyword list is shrink to 104 keywords only. I still want to introduce another filter because here the number of products are very high and most of these keywords are highly competitive. I am going to reduce the max competing products as 2000. Now our filtered keywords are down to 38. Then I will go and introduce a final filter of keyword sales. This is the weekly keyword sale. I say I want to see keyword that have 7 sales per week, which means at least 1 sale a day. Apply filters. I have these filters: search volume, word count, competing products, keyword sales, and based on these filters I am left with 36 keywords only. Then we can also sort these by keyword sales, search volume trend. I am going to sort by search volume trend. I want trending keywords. This is the first one: PS5 games for kids 8 to 12 boys. This is highly trending, 205% up. Then is NY puzzle book, 205% up. Here is the magnet IQ score. This is the search volume, over 1100. Then is the New York Times puzzle book. So you can click on this arrow and you can see there are over 1000 results for New York Times puzzle book. I am using Chrome extension by Helium 10, and this Chrome extension also show me very helpful data. This is free extension you can install from Chrome store. In this way you can further analyze the keyword by going to Amazon, see the actual books and see the BSRs. So our next keyword is New York Times games book, then is murder mystery puzzle book, then is gifts for seniors in assisted living, then is the Myrtle puzzle book. Keyword sales are 534. That's huge. Magnet IQ score is over 13,000. The higher the score, the better it is. The search volume is almost 11,000. It's trending as well, and the competing products are more than 790. Click here and see the keyword on the Amazon page and see the books and check out the other data by using this Chrome extension by Helium 10 as well. So I'm quickly showing you the keywords: magnetic puzzle book, there is paper pups, New York Times crossword puzzle book. That's another very good keyword idea. Search volume is very high, 3,500, trending as well. Competing products are over 913. New York Times crossword puzzle books. Then is puzzle storage book. Dot to dot books for adults. This is another very good keyword. Gray's anatomy book. Then is cryptogram puzzle books. So these are all low competition, high demand keyword ideas for Amazon KDP medium content books. In this way you can find keyword ideas using the magnet tool. And then you can go to the analyze feature. Here you can paste your keyword, click on analyze keywords. Here again you can see the data. If you have more than one keyword, you can also apply filters and analyze a long list of keywords using this feature of analyze keyword. Here you can also search for another keyword like workbook and get keyword ideas. Load from history, I already searched that. There are a lot of keyword, over 12,000. So I'm going to introduce my filters very quickly. 1,000, minimum word count 3. Competing products 2,000, keyword says at least 7. Then I will go and apply my filters. Now we have left with 88 filtered keywords only. You can see doodles help handwriting, switch self-love journal. That's another very good keyword. For the girl who feels too much, another good keyword. Trace and write alphabet center, very good keyword idea here. 42 sales. Competing products are 240 only. Watercolor workbook, very good keyword idea, it's trending. Brain quest, this is brand, keyword or trademark word, don't go for it. There is tracing paper for kids, another very good keyword idea. Watercolor workbook, Emily, this could be brand. Beginner watercolor workbook. So you got the idea how to use the magnet tool to come up with low competition, high demand keyword ideas for your low content and medium content books. If you have questions and suggestions, do let me know in the comment sections. And if you want to try out Helium pen, the link would be in the description below. Over the past few months, I have been building this school community called the Digital Income Flow. Inside this community, you will have access to me via chat, ask questions, share your wins, and you can also do a general chat with other 59 members, including myself. So what's included in this? You can go to Classroom and here you can access the Digital Income Starter Pack. It includes complete Amazon KDP course for beginners and advanced publishers, very beginner tutorials like KDP code setup, KDP guidelines, trademarks, copyright, how to check for trademarks, trim size. I will also show you detailed tutorials on KDP niche research using free tools and some paid tools. You can learn a lot from tutorials as well. Under the book creation, I have given an overview, then the interior resources, all free resources and some paid resources. Then I showed an over-the-shoulder tutorial to create high quality book interiors using Canva. Then I also showed how to create high quality covers using Canva as well. You can also access to digital income module, which includes my free ebook called the 1-hour Gumroad guide, and also I have included the affiliate marketing module. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.